Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be solving a programming question called remove duplicates from sorted list. And basically this question is to delete the duplicate that is in a sorted linked list. Here we can see an example where there is a linked list with 1 as the first node, 1 as the second node, and 2 as the third node. And the duplicate is 1, so 1 is deleted in the output, and the result is a linked list with 1 and 2. And in the second example, we can also see that there are 2 duplicates. One of them is 1 and one of them is 3, and those 2 duplicates are removed in the result to produce an output of 1 and 2 and 3. So to solve this problem, all we have to do is traverse the linked list, and once we find a duplicate, change that pointer to go to the next item. Okay, so now to the fun part. We're going to try and code this algorithm out in Python. And first, we have to set the current node to point to the head node. That way we can traverse the linked list. And we're going to traverse the linked list with a while loop. And while the current and the current.next has a value, then we can check and see if the current.next value is equal to the current value. Therefore, if current.next is equal to current, actually if their values are equal to each other, so I have to mention their values. If current.next.val is equal to the current.value, then I would have to skip over the next value and go to the current.next.next so that I don't see that value again. We're basically just manipulating the pointer here to point it to the next.next. So current.next would equal to current.next.next. And to handle all the other cases where there is no duplicate, we just have to continue traversing through the linked list with current. So the current in this case will be current.next. Now all we have to do is return the head node, and the head node is going to contain the linked list without duplicates now, because all of the duplicates were skipped with the current.next.next. So now I will just return my head node, and I'm going to run this code and try it out. Now we can see that it accepted our response, which is 1 and 2, and it got rid of the 1. Actually, it just skipped it. So now I'm trying to submit my solution and see if it gets accepted. This programming question was just to test our ability to use linked lists and manipulate the nodes of the linked list. For example, we checked to see if the current node had the same value as the next node, and then we modified the next node to point to the next node after the current's next node so that we can skip over the duplicated value. And we did that with the .next, and that is the manipulation of the linked list. I hope you guys enjoyed this approach, and please let me know what you think in the comments down below, or if you have any questions about it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any ideas on what I should do in the next tutorial, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.